How to fix error loading mods in Minecraft. So the main problem of mod errors when you're implementing it in your Minecraft world or whatnot is the fact that the mod you downloaded isn't in par with the version that your Minecraft is in. So let's say our Minecraft is 1.21. So the mod you're gonna need is also gonna be needed to be compatible with 1.21 or higher. This will be stated in the mod downloader or wherever you're going to get your mods. Let's say you get something like this, error loading mods, so 2 errors have occurred during loading. So as you can see, the mod requires Minecraft to be 1.20.1 and 1.20.2. So you're gonna need these versions in order to apply this specific mod. If you're using a launcher, you can just go ahead and change your Minecraft version over here or whichever launcher you are using. But again, you can just go ahead to wherever you downloaded a mod and check for the game versions that you can download the mod as. So in this website, I can check the game versions over here. It depends on what website or wherever you're going to download the mods. So just go look for alternatives of that specific mod in different versions. So as you can see here, it's mostly just the same version. But anyways, if the option is available of other versions that you want, then just go ahead and download that one instead. So those are a few methods to fix that error. Then you can go ahead and apply that mod now and it should work better at least. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.